My name is Shri. I'm an engineering graduate. I would like to pose a question. You said that Dashrat had 3 wives. And we know that in Ramayana, Dashrat, in an attempt to give equality to all the 3 wives, he lost his life. You can say this as a test by inshallah. But is this test suitable for the wives? Because they are being suffered. Who is going to take care of the wives if the person is failing in the test? What will be the position of those people? Is this correct?
The brother asked a question that King Dashrat had more than one wife. While giving equality to the wives, the women suffered. That's what he's saying. So that's a test. The Quran says suffering is a test. So when I studied from MBBS exam and I slogged out. I used to slog out. Believe me, even if you give me $1 million, I would never like to appear for a medical examination again. I slogged out for the degree. So all the suffering, it is a test. It is a test. So here we realize that's a test for her. If she behaves like a good wife, that woman, and follows the commandments of Almighty God, does the duty of a wife, even if the husband does or not, she will pass the test. The husband may fail the test. So this life, brother, is a small portion. An average human being lives for about 50 years or 40 years. Some at the age of 20, some at the age of 80. Average about 40 to 60 years a human being lives. But this life compared to next life is 0.0000000. Very small percentage. So if I tell you that in this small percentage compared to next life, I'll give you pain. In next life, whatever you want, you'll get. You say, I don't mind. You do what we want. Give me pain. Next life, I will get what I want. So good businessman will say, I don't mind trouble and pain. Like before the examination, we slog out. We don't sleep also. Why? Because we want to pass the examination. Similarly, if the wife undergoes certain trials and tribulation, whatever it is, if she follows the command of Almighty God in the Quran, she will go to paradise. If the husband doesn't follow, he will not go to paradise. If he follows, he'll go to paradise. Hope that answers the question.